Let us discuss a problem on probability distribution function capital F of x. The function can be defined as the set form with the discrete random variable capital X. Problem is a discrete random variable capital X has a following distribution function capital F of x equal to set. The functional value, distribution function value is 0 for all negative to up to 1. The function value is 1 by 3 from 1 by value to less than 4. Function value is 1 by 2 from the 4 to less than 6. 5 by 6 from the 6 to less than 10. From above of 10 value, the probability distribution function is 1. Now to find out probability of 2 is less than x is less than or equal to 6. Probability of x equal to 5, probability of x equal to 4, probability of x is less than or equal to 6, probability of x equal to 6. We know that the relation of the probability distribution of the random variable with the probability distribution functions, those are probability p of a is less than x is less than or equal to b is equal to f of b minus f of a. If we take including of the left hand side limit, that is a is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to b equal to f of b minus f of a plus p of a, that is p of x equal to a. Probability of a is less than or equal to x is less than b. In this case, f of b minus f of a plus p of a minus p of b. Why? Because it's excluded. Excluded means we can subtract the end value of the probability. So these are the relations. If we can take probability of a is less than x is less than b, in this case f of b minus f of a minus p of b. So it is excluding. We are taking the relation of these probabilities and their distributive functions. We should find out. For 1, probability of 2 is less than x is less than or equal to 6. That is nothing but f of 6 minus f of 2. The f of 6 means the 6th limit is related with the 5 by 6. So it is 5 by 6 minus 2 is in between of this limit. So that is 1 by 3. Taking the LCM, 6 is the LCM. 5 minus 2 by 6 equal to 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. So second one is probability of x is equal to 5. So that is equal to f of 5, that is up to take f of 5 plus or minus p of x is less than or equal to 4. It is p of x is less than or equal to 5 minus p of x is less than or equal to 4. That is nothing but f of 5 minus f of 4. Then we are getting only probability of x equal to 5. Functional value 5 lies in between of 4 to 6. So that is the value is 1 by 2 minus 4 is also in that interval only. So it is minus 1 by 2. It becomes 0. Third one, probability of x equal to 4. That is nothing but from this relation we can write f of 4 minus f of 3. F of 3 means minus 2 up to 3. It's minus 2 up to 4. After subtracting we are getting only probability of x equal to 4. So here f of 4 is 1 by 2 in that interval minus f of 3 is, this is the 3 relation, 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3. Taking the LCM, 6 is the LCM, 3 minus 2, then it is 1 by 6. Fourth one, probability of x is less than or equal to 6 up to 6. Then that is function of 6. It is equal to 6 is the which interval? 6 to 10, that is 5 by 6. Fifth one, probability of x equal to 6. We can take f of 6 minus f of 5. equal to f of 6 is 5 by 6. F of 5 is, that is less than 6 interval, we can take minus 1 by 2. Taking the LCM, 3 is the LCM. 5 minus 3 is 2 by 6. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So probability of x equal to 6 equal to 1 by 3 is the solution of the given problem. The problem is, for the following probability distribution, x random variables from minus 3 to plus 3, their respective probabilities are 0.001, 0.01, 0.1, question mark, missing term, 0.1, 0.01, 0.001. Find the missing probability and second one, expectation of x square plus 2x plus 3. First, in this, to find the missing probability means for the missing probability we can take the relation I equal to minus 3 to 3, pi is equal to 1. The respective all probability summation is equal to 1, that's we know. So by using of this relation we can take the summation. From this, 0.001 plus 0.01 plus x .1 plus x is the unknown or question mark plus 0.1 plus 0.01 plus 0.001 is equal to 1. Adding of these all, here in the decimal after third place is 1 plus 1 is its 2, in the second it's 2, in the 0.1 is also it's 2, 0 point plus question mark is equal to 1. Then the missing probability is equal to 1 minus 0.222 equal to it's 877.778 is the missing probability, and the second one is it's 0.778. E of x square plus 2x plus 3. By the expectation of the linear property we can expand e of x square plus 2 is a constant, right? E of x plus 3 into e of 3 is 3 only. So here it is equal to e of x square means x square, that is 3 square. It's 9 into 0.001 plus 4 into 0.01 plus 1 into 0.1, 0 into something is 0, plus 1 square is 1, it's 0.1, 2 square is 4, 0.01, plus 3 square is 9, 0.001, plus 2 into expectation of x, that is a multiple, minus 3 into, that is minus 0.003, minus 0.02, minus 0.1, plus 0 into something is 0, plus 0.1, plus 0.02, plus 0.003, plus 3. These all get cancelled. Here the expectation of 2x is 0. Why? Because we can multiply with negative and positive the same value, so it should be 0, and it is equal to 0.009 plus 0.04 plus 0.1 plus 0 plus 0.1 plus 0.04 plus 0.009 plus 3. The middle of the term will become 0. It is equal to 9 plus 9, 18. 18 means 1 is carry. Here 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1, it's 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. It's 0.298 plus 3 is equal to 3.298. Therefore, the missing probability is 0.778, and the second one is e of x square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 3.298. Why? Because e of k is equal to k. From this, e of 3 equal to 3. So these are the values of the given problem.